Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wakwale Joshua Koko, and I'm a first year student at Gulu University. So today, the basis of our discussion is going to be about using the Gmail, or what you can call the Google Mail. This is a very important application in that for professionals, most of the official letters you'll send to people of caliber, important people, you'll have to use Gmails, because you don't expect to send a letter maybe to the member of parliament, maybe to the speaker of parliament on WhatsApp. I mean, doesn't make sense. So usually for things as official as that, maybe your boss, we usually use Gmails, and it's really important for we as literates, we as learned people, to know exactly how to use this application. And that's exactly what I'm going to be focusing on today. So stay tuned, and as I take you through this. So now, the Gmail, when you want to access the Gmail, you simply still go to this upper right corner of your browser, and you'll get these 9 dots over there. Tap on them. When you do that, something appears. There's this menu that comes up, and so what you do is you come and tap there. That's the Gmail. You double click it. Google Mail, so it's opening, it's loading there slowly. But yeah, it's something you really need to learn, because it's so important. And when you open it in the workspace here, we have so many options that we can take ourselves through. First of all, when you come to email, you always find that when people have sent you mails, so you can come and read. For example, here I'm having quite a number. You have Tim Hagen sent me a mail. You have Google Forms sent me a mail. Mwesiga Boaz, Gulu University sent me a mail, and yeah, all these guys have sent me mails. That's important. So it's good to come and read them, because you never know what has come. It could be something of much importance, and yeah, please always give it time. Leaving that aside, you could want to send someone a message yourself. So there are very many options here. You could come and write a message that you'll send later. It's what we call a draft. So you come and tap here, and you just come and create a draft. You put, currently I don't have anything here that I saved to be sent later, but then in case I typed something that I saved and said maybe I will send to someone later, it would appear here. And when the time comes for me to send it, I simply come in this space, and I get it and send to the person I intend to send it to. That is one thing that you must learn about these things. Then you have this part called compose. So compose is basically you writing a mail. So you must first of all put the person you're sending to, the name of that person, you put it there, the Gmail. And then it's also important to put the subject, because when you do so, what happens is it is easy for someone to understand what your mail is all about, because some people are busy. Someone won't have the time to read everything that you've sent, but just by reading that could be enough to alert them that yeah, so and so has written to me and he wants exactly A, B, C, or maybe D. So you come and say, maybe I'm handing in coursework, so I'll be like, please consider my coursework. Let's say I'm writing to my lecturer, so I have to say, please consider my coursework. And then right here, you have your coursework somewhere. Maybe you use Microsoft Word to type it. Simply go there in Microsoft Word, copy your work, come right here and paste it over here, or you can type it afresh in the Gmail. So you type whatever you want there. After typing whatever you want in that space, you can come and just do the send, which is very easy. But then one other important feature I want to show you guys is the signature. So you come here, and here is where you can insert your signature from. So I just press that. Now currently there is no signature, that's why you see a tick here. But then because I want to insert one, I will come here and they will say manage signatures. So when I click on that, this menu appears. So when it appears, I can play around with this and do something about my email. Add a signature to it, so it will look a bit more official. So I can come down here, maybe let me move this to this side, or let me just minimize it, something like that. And so when I want to add my signature, I will move down and look for that place where they say the option is available. So here you go, create new. Just press there like that, create new signature, and then they'll ask you to put a name for your signature, so that every time you're going to insert that particular signature, you simply do so by referring to that name. So mine, I love my name, so I'll call it Coco. Coco is my name. Yeah, very interesting. Create name, new signature, maybe okay, still Coco, maybe Coco Joshua. Okay, Joshua, I'll be like create. Yeah, cancel that. So let me delete one so that I stay with one. Delete that. Yes, I stay with this. So now after naming my signature, I come and write here what my signature will actually entail. Maybe I can say I write my name in small letters, still Coco Joshua Wakwale. I'll press enter. I'll maybe put in the course that I do, MBCH B1. I'll press enter. After doing that, what I will do next is I will maybe just put my institution, because now me I'm at Gulu, so I will say Gulu University. University, really interesting there. So what's next is I think that is all for me. So I will scroll down to this place. So maybe there's something else I need to really look at. There is an option here that tells me whether I should insert signature before quoted text if replies, in replies, and remove the line that precedes it. So I'll click this, because if I do so, then my signature will appear in most of the replies I will be writing, even before I write them. That will be so interesting. So I'll come here, and I will only send a response to people in my contacts. I can ignore that, so I can just come and save my changes. It's saving. I wait a little as it does so, and yeah, when I come back to my thing here, yeah, so that's exactly how you can put in your signature. It's very interesting, and there are very many other things you can do here in Gmail, but most importantly, what you need to know is what I've showed you. 1, how to write drafts. 2, sending emails to people, creating a signature, composing, and yeah, those are the basics. Other things we shall cover them as we go ahead. That's why it's very necessary for you to subscribe to this channel, because if you don't, you may be missing out a lot, and yet I don't want you to miss. So please subscribe, stay tuned as we wait for much more that's coming ahead, and yeah, God bless you all.